Now children, I am starting exercise 5.5, that is logarithmic function. Before starting this exercise, I have to tell you the some formulas of log functions. We know that log a into b, these are two different numbers, log a into b. Log a into b can be written log a plus log b. Log is a method to solve the calculation easily. Log a upon b is equal to log a minus log b. Log a raised to power n is m log a. Listen once again. Log a into b can be written log a plus log b. मल्टीप्लीकेशन में log a प्लस लिखना है और डिवीजन में माइनस लिखना है। अगर a के ऊपर पावर m होती है तो ये पावर आगे आ जाती है, यहां जाकर m log a. These are three basic rules. Once again I am telling you, listen. Log a into b can be written log a plus log b. Log a upon b can be written log a minus log b. Log a raised to power m can be written m log a. ये पावर यहां से हटके यहां आ जाती है। ये तीन बेसिक रूल हैं लॉग के, जो इस एक्सरसाइज में पहले हम यूज करेंगे, उसके बाद हम कुछ क्वेश्चंस करेंगे। नाउ डू फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ एक्सरसाइज 5.5. एक्सरसाइज 5.5. Question number 1. Y is equal to cos x, cos 2x, cos 3x. Y is equal to cos x, cos 2x, cos 3x. Suppose y is equal to a into b into c. So apply first rule first. So y can be written, take log both this side. Take log both this side. So here you can take also log in right hand side, cos x, cos 2x, cos 3x. Furthermore, log, this is a, this is b, this is c. So apply first rule, log cos x, log cos 2x, log cos 3x. Now do the differentiation. What is the differentiation of log term? I have written already in the previous question, in the previous chapter. Log and differentiation of log is 1 upon y. Differentiation of log y is 1 upon y. Then do the differentiation of y is dy by dx. Children, remember here, if we are having log x, then differentiation of log x is 1 upon x. But if we are doing log y, differentiation of log y, then we have to do 1 upon y into dy by dx, because differentiation of log x is 1 upon x and differentiation of x is 1. You can write into 1, but no need to write 1. Generally we don't write 1. Okay, once again, listen once again. Differentiation of log x is 1 upon x and differentiation of x is 1. So generally we don't write 1 here. So simply log x is 1 upon x. Here also the same thing here. Differentiation of log y is 1 upon y, but the differentiation of y is dy by dx by chain rule. So here you will apply 1 upon y into dy by dx. Now differentiation of log cos x, 1 upon cos x. This is the differentiation of log only. Now we are having cos x also. So differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Children, remember here, log की वजह से cos x नीचे आ गया, cos x का डिफरेंशिएशन माइनस sin x आपको न्यूमरेटर में ही लिखना है। आप log की वजह से नीचे आ गए, लेकिन उसका डिफरेंशिएशन नीचे नहीं लिखना है, उसका डिफरेंशिएशन ऊपर लिखना है। So differentiation of log is 1 upon cos x and differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Same thing you will apply here. Differentiation of cos 2x, log cos 2x, 1 upon cos 2x. And differentiation of cos 2x is minus sin 2x. Minus sin 2x. But here we are having 2x also. So differentiation of 2x, that is 2 also. Again, same thing here. Differentiation of log cos 3x, 1 upon cos 3x. And differentiation of cos 3x, minus sin 3x, minus sin 3x. And differentiation of 3x, that is 3. So dy by dx, this is 1 upon y also here, is equal to minus sin x upon cos x minus 2 sin 2x upon cos 2x minus 3 sin 3x upon cos 3x. So you can take y here and you can take minus common also. So dy by dx is equal to minus y sin x upon cos x, that will become tan x plus tan 2x, 2 tan 2x plus 3 tan 3x. Now you can put the original value of y, that is cos x, cos 2x and cos 3x. So from here you can put this value. So dy by dx will become minus cos x, cos 2x, cos 3x, tan x, tan 2x, tan 3x. This is the final answer of this question. I am repeating that this question is very large, so you can understand once again. Y is equal to cos x, cos 2x, cos 3x. First of all, apply log both the sides. Log y is equal to log cos x, cos 2x, cos 3x. So by this rule, log a into b is equal to log a plus log b. You can break these three terms in three separate parts. Log cos x plus log cos 2x plus log cos 3x. Differentiation of log y is 1 upon y into dy by dx. Similarly, you can apply differentiation of this log is 1 upon cos x and differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Similarly, differentiation of log cos 2x is 1 upon cos 2x and differentiation of cos 2x is minus sin 2x into 2. Differentiation of 2x is also 2. Similarly, log cos 3x, differentiation of log cos 3x is 1 upon cos 3x, or cos 3, and differentiation of cos 3x is minus sin 3x and differentiation of 3x is 3. So sin x upon cos x, sin 2x upon cos 2x, sin 3x upon cos 3x. Here you can apply. Here you can write like this. So y, taking y this side, that will become, and taking minus also, taking minus common also. So y sin x upon cos x, tan x, sin 2x upon cos 2x, tan 2x, sin 3x upon cos 3x, tan 3x. So final answer, you can put the value of y from here. Y is cos x, cos 2x, cos 3x, and this minus sin is this minus sin. Tan x plus tan 2x plus tan 3x. This is the question by you. This is the question. We have done this question by logarithmic methods. Now do one more question. Log x raised to power cos x. Log x raised to power cos x. Question number 3. Y is equal to log x raised to power cos x. apply log both the side. Log y is equal to log x log x whole raised to power cos x. Remember children, log a raised to power m is equal to m log a. ये log x a का काम कर रहा है और ये इसकी पावर जो cos x है ये m का काम कर रही है. अब नेक्स्ट स्टेप में ये m आगे आ जाएगा, जैसे यहां m आगे आ गई, cos x को यहां लेके आएंगे, उसके बाद आगे करेंगे. log y is equal to cos x log x. Now these are two separate functions. So you can apply further, you can apply product rule. This is first function, this is second function, or vice versa. You can take this one is first function or this will be the second function. So differentiation of log y, once again same thing we have done in the previous question. The differentiation of log y is 1 upon y, that is dy by dx is equal to differentiation of cos. First of all, this is first function, this is second function. So first function cos x as it is, differentiation of log x plus log x plus log x, differentiation of cos x. Now dy by dx is equal to 1 upon y dy by dx is equal to cos x, differentiation of log x, differentiation of log x. First of all differentiation of this log, first of all differentiation of this log. इसके आगे की जो टर्म है वो सिर्फ x का काम करेगी, 1 upon log x by chain rule. Now differentiation of log x is equal to 1 upon x. First of all do the differentiation of this log, that is 1 upon log x. Then do the differentiation of this log, that is 1 upon x. Plus log x. Then do the differentiation of cos x, that is minus sin x. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. So dy by dx will be equal to y this side cos x upon log x into x plus log x into minus sin x. So you can change this sign, minus sign, this will become minus sin x. Further I am repeating, again I am repeating this question, y is equal to log x raised to power cos x. Take log both this side, log y will become equal to log x raised to power cos x. This cos x is working as m, like this. So cos, this will become further cos x log x. So differentiation of log y, 1 upon y dy by dx. So write cos x as it is, this is first function, this is second function. Differentiation, first function as it is, differentiation of second function, log x. Plus second function log x as it is, differentiation of cos x, that was first function. So now differentiation of this term in next step and differentiation of this term here. Log x, that will become 1 upon log x into 1 upon x plus log x as it is, differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. So this will become cos x upon log x into x minus this minus, you can change this minus here. So minus log x into sin x. So this is the final answer. You can put the value of y, the original value of y, or we can write the answer here. So dy by dx will become value of y log x raised to power cos x upon log x into x, cos x upon log x into x minus log x log x into sin x. So this is the final answer. Do one more question, children. Question number 9. X raised to power sin x plus sin x raised to power cos x. X raised to power sin x plus sin x raised to power cos x. Question number 9. Y is equal to x raised to power sin x plus sin x raised to power cos x. Sin x raised to power cos x. Children, remember always, if you see minus or plus inside the two terms or between the two terms, you cannot apply log directly. We cannot take log directly. Some students will apply directly log y will become equal to log x raised to power sin x. Some student will apply like this, log y is equal to log x raised to power sin x plus log sin x raised to power cos x. You cannot, this is the totally wrong method. You cannot apply log directly. If you see plus or minus here, you cannot take log directly. So what we have to do? For this type of question, if we have plus or minus sign between the terms, then we will take like this. This term as u and this term is v. X raised to power sin x is u and sin x raised to power cos x is v. So dy by dx will become equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. Now these will be two separate questions. This is one of the question and this is the second question. At last we will assemble them. This will, from here we will find du by dx, and from here we will find dv by dx. And after that, after all the multiplication, after all calculation, we have to add them. So first of all, write the two terms separately. U is equal to x raised to power sin x and v is equal to sin x raised to power cos x. Then separately we can take log both the sides. Log u is equal to log x raised to power sin x. So first of all we will do it. 1 of log u, differentiation of log u, 1 upon u du by dx is equal to log x raised to power sin x. इसका डिफरेंशिएशन बताइए. 1 upon x raised to power sin x. ये log का डिफरेंशिएशन. अब x raised to power sin x. नो सॉरी, जब हम log लगाएंगे तो हम log का रूल लगाएंगे. लास्ट वाला रूल log का लगाएंगे हम यहाँ. तो log u is equal to log x raised to power sin x. अब ये sin x आगे आ जाएगा. लास्ट फॉर्मूला देखिए आप लोग. 1 log u is equal to sin x into log x. Again we are getting two terms. ये sin x आगे आ गया तो एक टर्म ये हो गई और एक टर्म ये हो गई। अब इन दोनों के बीच में हम प्रोडक्ट रूल का यूज करेंगे। log u का बताइए, log u क्या बनेगा, 1/u du by dx is equal to sin x फर्स्ट फंक्शन, log x सेकेंड फंक्शन, 1/x फर्स्ट फंक्शन डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ सेकेंड प्लस log x second function differentiation of sin x is cos x. Once again, sin x as it is, differentiation of log x 1/x, second function log x as it is, differentiation of sin x is cos x. So du by dx will become equal to u into sin x upon x, sin x upon x plus log cos x, log x into cos x. This was the differentiation of the first term. Similarly, we can do the differentiation of second term. Again, we can apply log here. Log v is equal to cos x log sin x. Differentiation of log v 1/v dv by dx, cos x 1/sin x, and differentiation of sin x cos x plus log sin x and differentiation of cos x minus sin x. So we can write like this, v here cos x into cos x upon sin x, cos x into cos x upon sin x, minus this minus log sin x into sin x. So further this can be written dv by dx is equal to v cos x and cos upon sin cot x minus log sin x into sin x. Now at last we have to add both the answers. This is the answer of the first term and this is the answer of the second term. The final answer will become, because we were taking dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. So du by dx this one and dv by dx this one. Then add them. So at last dy by dx will become equal to, putting the value of u and v also. So u, what was u? X raised to power sin x, x raised to power sin x, sin x upon x plus log x into cos x, log x into cos x plus v, what was the value of v? Sin x raised to power cos x, sin x raised to power cos x, cos x into cot x, cos x into cot x minus log sin x into sin x, log sin x into sin x. These were the question, children. These were the some important questions of exercise 5.5. Some more questions we will do in the next class. Thank you.